Hello there. If you want to transform your home into the winter wonderland with these Christmas decor tips, please keep watching this video till end. Then you can see that different amazing ideas for how to decorate your home in these Christmas days. Please keep watching and subscribe this channel and share it. I hope you will be fine and my good wishes always with you. Let's start these videos. You can see that different amazing wonderful ideas that can imagine how to decorate your home with the different ideas. You can decorate your home, the front of your doors and your tables Christmas, and the different bedrooms, holidays, Christmas decors, and the dye projects you can also use to for decorate. And you can create a showing scenes and the different other things. First of all, we start with the entrance of your home and the Thanksgiving table decors and living rooms. How to decorate these Christmas events. The color schemes and the different other ornaments of the Christmas. You can set the different positions, the different makeup materials, and the gift givings ideas. Transform your home into the winter wonderland. The different amazing atmosphere in your home with the Christmas decors. Get your home ready for the holiday with these Christmas decors. And the create a warm and welcoming home this Christmas. And you can decorate your front doors and the table also. And the different planter you can also use, and different ornaments and small pieces you can also use for this decoration. Yeah, you can see that the doors and with the pine cones and others ornaments you can also attach at your home. Yeah, you can add the cozy textures and use the natural elements that bring the beauty of the natures indoors by incorporating natural elements like the pine cones, evergreens, branches, and the holly barriers into your decors. You can also use the fresh flowers like pine stems and the different other pop of colors to your decors. Yeah, you can create a festive tables. Amazing thing to set the tone of your holiday celebrations by creating a festive Christmas and the tables runners, holiday themes, and the napkins and the festive centerpieces like a vase filled with the red and the white roses. You can add a touch of a vesme and the others red colors and the greeneries and the different other things you can also use and decorate your walls for a greenery. Add a touch of a vesme. Finally, don't be afraid to add the touch of a vesme to your decors. You can playful elements use like a snowman's and the figurines and the sonata and the real and